Hi friends, welcome back to English class. In the last video, we saw or we discussed active and passive voice, and we discussed the passive voice changes that is coming in tenses. So the topic is not complete. We have to complete it. Today, let's see more about it. Now, we should also know how to convert the modal auxiliaries or the active voice in with a modal auxiliary into a passive voice. Okay, so let's see the active form of the modal auxiliary, and hope you know what a modal auxiliary is. For example, can, could, may, might, shall, should, would, must, ought to. These are all known as modal auxiliary in English or modal verbs, right? So what is the active form of with a modal auxiliary? We'll see subject first, then the modal auxiliary is written, then V1. With modal auxiliary we will always use V1 in active form, and then the object. Okay, so here we have an example. We ought to preserve our heritage. Okay, ought to is a modal verb and preserve is the V1 form. Our heritage is the object, right? Now we are going to change it. Now we are going to change it into the passive. So what is a passive form? See, first you have to write the object, then you have to write the modal auxiliary which is given in the active, and then you have to add a be. Okay, you have to add be. Then as I told you, in passive we are only coming with past participle form of the verb, that is V3, then by, then subject. Okay, so what will be the sentence? Our heritage ought to be preserved, okay, by us is there. Since it is optional, I have not written. Okay, our heritage ought to be preserved by us. Okay, so that is how the first one. Second one, you can see, may God bless you with good health. How we are going to change it into passive? May, you are writing in the same way. Then after that, you is coming, that is bless. After bless, bless is the verb. Just after the verb, there will be object. So you is the object, and so you is coming forward. Then may you, be. Then the V3 form of bless is blessed. Then by God with good health. Okay, so that is how we can change a sentence with a modal auxiliaries. Next, that you can see that is a question. Can you prove this law? Now we are going to change that one. See, can is written first. Then this law is the object. So this law came first. Then be. Then the V3 form of prove is proved. Then by you. Okay. Now two are there for you to find out. One I will help you. Second one you can do it yourself. Okay. A sudden noise might frighten the baby. So how we are going to change it? So we have to write the object first. The baby. Might, you have to write like that itself. Since it is a modal auxiliary, we need not change it. So the baby might be, V3 form of frighten is frightened. Frightened. A baby might be frightened by a sudden noise. Okay, so this is how you are going to change it. Okay, next one you do it yourself. Now let's move on to the next topic, that is commands. How we are going to change the active form of commands to passive form. Okay, so let's see the example first. Open the door. How it is changed to passive? You can see that let the door be opened. So for commands, you have to keep one thing in your mind, is that the command will always start with the verb, then the object. Okay, it will start with a verb, not a subject, right? So you can see active form, sentence begins with the root form of the verb. And how we are going to change it to passive? We are adding a let, L-E-T, let first, then we are writing the object, then you are adding a be, then V3. Okay, so sell this bicycle. How we are going to change it? Let this bicycle be sold. V3 form of sell is sold. Okay. Second one, shut the window. How we are going to change it? Let the window be shut. Shut. V3 form is shut itself. Okay. Close the gate. So let the gate be closed. Right? So that's how we are going to change the command. Now let's move on to the sentences beginning with let. passive form, how we are going to change a sentence beginning with let. So you have to write the let itself first, then the object, then we have to add beb, then v3, then plus by plus subject. Okay, so let he take the next turn. Here we are going to change that. The next turn is the object, so we are writing the next turn first. Let the next turn be taken by him. Okay, now second one, see, let us forget the past. So the past is the object, so we are writing it towards first. Okay, let the past be forgotten by us. Okay, that is how we are going to change. By us is optional, that's why I have not written. Now let's go to the questions. How can we change the questions into from active to passive? See, how is the question? Active form, the question word will come first, then the be form, that is, am, are, was, were, from that one will be there, then subject, then verb, then object. Okay, so you can see the example here. How are they playing cricket, right? So the question word, we cannot make any changes in the question word in passive. We have to write as it is. So how we have to writing it? How we are writing it like that itself. Okay, in passive, how, then cricket is the object, so cricket is taken first, and since cricket is singular, we have to use is, right? So how is cricket, not how cricket is. Okay, you have to write that is in question, it will come first. Okay, how is cricket, then ing form, playing is in ing form, so you have to add being, then play ka v3 is played, right? The v3 form of play is played, and by them. Okay, how are they playing cricket? So now the passive form is how is cricket being played by them. Okay, so this is how we change it. Now second one, you see, will they help you? So how we are going to change it? Will you be helped by them? Okay, now third question, you can see, who keeps the account? If a question in active is starting with who, then in passive you have to add by whom. Okay, that is one thing you have to keep in your mind. See, in active it is with who, then in passive it is will be starting with by whom. Who keeps the accounts? So how we are going to change it? By whom the accounts are kept. Okay, then moving on to the fourth one, they are pulling down the huts. Okay, so now we are going to change it. Why are they pulling down the huts is the question. Now we are going to change it to passive. Why are, we are writing that as it is, then the huts are coming first. The huts is the object, so it is coming first. Why are the huts, then for ing we are giving being, then pulled down. Okay, by them is optional. Okay, why are the huts being pulled down by them? Okay, next one, when will they vacate the house? So when will the house be vacated? Okay, so this are the how we change the questions. Now let's move on to the questions that is beginning with does, do, did. Okay, so the passive form we will see. In passive form we have to write be form first, then object, then v3, then by, then subject. Okay, we will see with example, it will be more clear. Does he still love me? It's such a question, so you can understand that since it is does, the question is in simple present tense, right? So me is the object, so when me comes to the subjective case, it will become I. Okay, so we cannot use I is or I are, we have to use I am. Since it is a question, you cannot write I am, you have to make it am I. Am I, then still you are writing it as it is, then v form that is verb v3 form of love is loved. Am I still loved, then by him. Okay, so the word does is not there in passive, that is the one point you have to understand. Okay, next example, you can see this. Does he speak English? So English is the object. Okay, since it is in present tense, you have to choose from is, am, are. English के साथ is ही आएगा. So is English. Speak V3 form is spoken. Is English spoken by him? Okay, moving on to the third one. Did she take the book? So how we are going to change is, was the book taken by her? Did is showing past tense, so we are choosing from was or where. Since the book is only one, it is was. So was the book taken by her? Okay. Next one you can see, do you like books? So since it is books, we have to choose from is, am, are, है ना. सो डू है, इसीलिए हम समझ गए कि सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस है. सो आर बुक्स लाइक्ड बाय यू. So this is how we are going to change the questions. Okay, so one thing you have to keep in mind that in questions starting with does, did, do in active, these words will not come in passive. Okay, I hope it is clear for you and hope you understood this topic. Thank you.